imagination. Take a look and you'll see into your imagination.
A sneeze. Bless you. Thank you. A sneeze. Bless you. Thank you. Achoo. Bless you. Thank you. Achoo. Shut up, Calvin. You not gonna say bless you? You not gonna say bless you? What? Why would I? He already said bless you. No. I see how you roll now. I ain't leaving until you tell me bless you. Give me your blessings, bruh. Bruh, you need to chill out. I'm not giving you my blessing. Alright? I'm not leaving until I get your blessings, homie. Just know that. For sure. Bro, what the heck? Bro, give me your blessings, dog. You got major problems, bro. It's crazy, bro. Dude, what are you doing in my bed? Give me your blessings. Get out of my house. Give me your blessings. Fine. Get him. I said. So you're not just gonna say nothing? Get out of my house. Get out of my house. Get out of my house. What? Hold on. Bro, what the heck is going on?
Come to the back. VIP. Drinks on me. Let me see what you're working with. Look at those hips.